All right, yet another update from RGT Cycling. So what the heck? I mean, this thing was just updated not too long ago, and now it's making us download a whole nother 876 megabytes. So let's see what the heck this is. I'm not sure why there wasn't just an easy update and why we need to actually download the whole thing yet again. This is a little frustrating for especially anybody who, you know, is just trying to ride. Here I am, I just jumped out, ready to go, and so now I got to deal with this. So yeah, all right, I'll keep you guys posted. All right, so now we've downloaded this giant file, and I'll keep you posted. So we've got it going and installing again. So that was about 900 megabytes. I wonder what the heck they did for updates. I guess we'll see. But so far, yeah, let's just enjoy this while we wait. Okay, it's been about, I don't know, 5 minutes, and I'm at 10%. So probably gonna be calling this a night, and we'll be riding another time because this is a little getting a little ridiculous here. So thank you very much, RGT. Thanks for the update. Okay, and of course, right after I say that, this thing downloads and finishes quick. So it's like, what? 2 instances are running. I was tempted just to restart here. Alright. Okay, weird. So I got a firewall setting that came up, and alright, looks like we're back in action. Weird that I was getting, it said I had 2 instances running. I just kind of let it work out and go, and it did its thing. Oh, look at that. So looks like they shifted the maps cycle. So I used to be riding this Iron Horse Bicycle Classic. That was a good one. But then they just switched. So now Cape Fort Mentor is up as far as a free one. Oh, and then there's a couple other ones too. Oh, this one's super flat, and this one's got a little elevation. It's a little short. All right, yeah, let's go. Let's go to the one with the hill. Okay, or maybe you'll just freeze on me. That'll be cool too. Ah, there we go. All right. It's gonna let me click on it. Okay. Come on. So yeah, so this is after the latest update. Seems a little laggy. I have not restarted my computer, and maybe I need to. Yeah, because this is a little crazy here. All right, I'm gonna exit out of this and try to reopen it. All right, so check this out. So I thought this loading screen was just annoying and just talking about the info, but there's actually this little scroll bar here that I wish RGT kind of let people know about more. But check this out. So I can adjust my start position. Hey, I don't want to do that hill. Well, I'll just start right after it. So that's kind of cool. The only thing is I wish, let's see, if I go to riders, can I actually join with a rider? Like Zwift? No. All right, looks like I can just see how many riders are on there. But I can't actually join in with them. So I hope they bring that feature. I think they had that in the older version, but then it looks like they took that away. So at least you can kind of skip around in the map, which is kind of cool. So I just learned that. So yeah, start position and adjust from there. So yeah, all right, cool. Okay, awesome, huge improvement. So first off, I was able to jump right in and start riding. So automatically connected right before I started. So that is a huge plus. So no longer having to pair. Nice. Looks like the layout's a little sleeker too. Looks like they rounded some of the displays. And yeah, awesome. Yeah, very cool. So it took forever, but we made it. And yeah, so nice little updates here. Oh, and they actually, that's kind of cool. So they outlined who's a bot and who's not a bot. So under everybody it says Team Bot. So that's interesting. So if it wasn't obvious before, now it's even more. So yeah, all right, I'm gonna enjoy this ride. But yeah, thanks for watching. All right, take care, bye.